In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check calculator history on your Samsung or Android device. I'll be showing you how to find the calculator history of calculations. First, locate and open the calculator app on your Samsung or Android device. Look for the clock icon at the left-hand corner of the calculator screen, and then tap it. You will now see your calculator history. This includes all the calculations that you have previously worked out. For instance, if you perform a calculation now and then tap the clock icon, you will see this new calculation added to your history. To clear, or if you want to clear your calculator history, simply press the Clear History button. And that's it. You have now learned how to find and manage your calculator history on your Samsung or Android device. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this guide,